Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to sell puts on Schwab. Firstly, go to schwab.com or use the mobile app. On the top menu, select Trade, then Options, or tap the trade icon in the app. Type in the ticker symbol for the stock you want to sell a put on. Then click on Options chain to view the available contracts. In the options chain, select the expiration date you prefer, scroll down to the put options section, then find the strike price where you're willing to potentially buy the stock. Click the bid price of the put you want to sell, then choose action to sell to open, quantity, order type, then time in force. Double check the premium strike price and expiration, then click review order, then place orders. If the stock stays above the strike price by expiration, you keep the premium. If the stock drops below the strike price, you may be assigned to buy the stock at that strike price. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.